I'm at Northwoods right now by the garden, out by the front of the school. And today I'm going to show you guys how to go geocaching. So geocaching is a free activity. There's a free app that you can download if someone that you're with has a cell phone, and you can download this app that is literally called geocaching. On your phone's app market or app store, if you type in geocaching, here's what comes up. The second app that I found is literally called Geocaching, and when I open it, it's by a company called Groundspeak. The app image is a small green square with a little flag in it. That's the app I used. The fun part is you're going for a walk and you're on a treasure hunt, and hopefully there's quite a bit of geocaches around La Crosse, or we call them a cache. And the geocaches around La Crosse, if it's green on the app, that means it's free. You don't have to pay to go find that one. So on my phone, when I open up my apps and I open the geocaching app, if I zoom out, I can see the blue dot. That's where I am. And the blue dot for me today is at Northwoods. I must be standing right on the sidewalk. Now, if I zoom out a little bit, across the road and down a trail, there are two geocaches that are pretty close to our building. One of them's called Superfly, and I clicked on it because it's green on the page. To start your search, press Navigate. The orange bar is a straight line to where the cache is hidden. From where I'm walking, it's about 0.4 miles to get to the cache that I want to find. And even though there's a straight way to get there, I'm going to stay on the trail that I can follow so I can go where others have gone before. As I turn my phone a little bit, I see the app kind of moving along with the direction that I'm turning. And as I get closer, if I keep turning my phone, it's going to show me the best way to get there. Now, when I zoom in on the map, I can kind of see where the trail is that I should stay on. So that's the trail I'll take to get to my cache today. So I'm still walking on this trail. It's a beautiful trail. I'm trying to stay on the trail. The GPS or the geocache app was showing a straight line to the cache or the little treasure, but I know that it's good etiquette if I stay on a trail and kind of follow the way that other people have taken before. I don't want to make a new trail. That's not my job. So my job is to stay on the trail as I'm walking. And what I really like about this walk here is the big open space that has kind of turned into a prairie. I'm not sure what it used to be. I think a very long time ago it probably was a prairie, and now I can see that it's coming back. So I'm coming down this little hill here and getting closer to the state bike trail, which is where the cache is located, just off the trail. So I'm going to pull up my GPS again to see how close I am. When you're geocaching, you never know what you're gonna find. Hey, butterfly. Hey, butterfly. Hey, bud. Happy Friday. Have a good day. All right, everybody. So after you watch that, the first video, make sure you tune in for the second one to learn a little bit more about the etiquette and where the cache is actually hidden. Keep watching.